This model kit review is of the Subaru Impreza from the World Rally Cup from 2001, and it is a 1/24 scale model by Tamiya. We've got some very nice box art here, and here's a picture of the car with the dimensions, and there's some other pictures from the front and back, and then there's the interior. That looks very nice. Let's have a look inside. Let's see what we've got. Well, we've got a lot of parts here. Well, first things first, let's look at these gold wheels. Those are beautifully molded and beautifully painted. So that is awesome. Look at that. Here we've got orange and red glass here for side lights and rear glass, the rear brake lights. These staples, you've got to be careful because sometimes they'll go in your skin. Okay, so we do have some brakes, some axles there. We've got some helmets. These helmets go together and they sit in the back seat there. And then some more axles here with suspension parts there. McPherson strut there. Okay, here is our splitter for the front. We've got some more suspension parts, subframe parts, and so on. All for the, that's pretty all for the rear. Here's our front with our that's the drive, the steering rack there. Over here we've got some more black and grey plastic, and so here we've got looks like our maybe a part of our radiator or intercooler. Got some more suspension parts, some radio, antenna. Here's our exhaust pipe. Look at how well this is all molded here. Got the radiators with the fans molded in. More disc brakes here, part of our transmission. These are four-wheel drive cars. Now here are the insides of our door cards. You can see here, these have obviously been, pared down for, cup racing. There's the front headlights. Actually, no idea what that is. Maybe that's for the holding the helmets. Here are our windshield wipers. Some more radio antenna. And there's our handbrake. This is our dashboard. Got some very nice detail, beautifully molded. Some air intake there, radiator, steering column there. Here is our steering wheel. We've got two seats there, and then our water collecting area there. Beautifully molded. Typical Tamiya quality. This is why their kits are a little bit more expensive, is they make quality kits. This is very unusual color plastic. It's kind of like this shiny blue. So this is the chassis here with some details here molded in. Very nicely molded. We've got this full roll cage here with lots and lots of parts to it. Here's our rear wing. Got our air intake for the hood, and probably more parts for our roll cage there. That's probably for our wing as well, and then some more air intakes. Okay, here's our body, and this is just beautifully molded. That's the 2001 Subaru. Look at those big oval lights. You've got space here for all the air vents and so on. Some recessed panel lines. Those door handles are just perfectly made. Beautiful. Smooth. That's perfect. Okay, so here we've got our tires. These are beautifully molded. They're nice soft rubber, and they've got some nice tread on them. And we've got some mesh there as well as some poly caps. So I'm not going to take them out because I'm probably going to lose them. And then over here we've got our glass with some rear defroster molded in. That's beautiful. Got some light parts there, more parts for the lights, front headlights there. We've got some chrome there, silver metallic for our mirrors, and then some parts for the underside, beautifully molded. Okay, so over here we've got some masks, and the masks are for the windshield and rear glass, but we also have, this is interesting here, some silver parts there. So there are the masks there. And over here we've got our decals, and we've got a lot of decals here. And these are beautifully printed. Look at that. It's a nice carbon fiber for our seats. These are just absolutely phenomenal. Okay, so let's have a look at our instructions here. So here's some details here about the car. And over here are the colors needed. We start off with the chassis, putting together the transmission, our front hubs there, the front, that's the steering rack, and then finishing that up. Here are the rear suspension and hubs. There's the transmission with the drive shaft. Over here we've got our wheels and tires going on, the exhaust going on. We're starting to build the interior now of the cabin. It's obviously really shaved down for racing. We've got a little fire extinguisher there and some controls, and then our seats going on there. Very nice. Here is our full race cage, and then the helmet's going there. Rest of the cage going on, as well as the inside of the door cards. Okay, so here we're putting together the dashboard with steering rack and column, and then we're mounting it onto the vehicle. There's our rear view mirror with that metal transfer to make it nice and shiny. Now we're starting on the body, and it says to make those holes from the inside. That's probably for the antenna. Okay, let's have a look over here. Putting our glass together with windshield and rain collector there. Mount that on the body. Don't forget to put the mesh in the front there. And then putting together the headlights and radiator. There's STI on the radiator. Really, it should be intercooler there. Okay, then we've got the inside. That's what those silver parts are for. Is for inside for the tail lights. I'm going to put that all on the inside, and then the chassis gets mounted along with those parts there. Tells you how to put the decals on. Okay, now we're putting details on the body. So we've got mirrors, and we've got splitter and vents and all those additional things there. We've got antenna going on our wing, and it tells you how to paint it. Okay, so now we've got the decal and paint guide. There are a lot of decals here for this car, and that's the side, the top, front, back, and side again. So all in all, unfortunately there's no engine, but it is a very well made model, great decals, and beautifully molded.